Hi guys, let us understand today how to develop file uploading application with Struts2. So we'll use here some of the file utility feature which is provided by the Apache Struts. Okay, there's one package we are having org.apache.commons.io. In that there's a one API we are having file utils which will help you to get it this file and copy. There are several methods inside that. So what we'll do here, we'll create one web project. So just right click here and then say new and click here dynamic web project. If this list is not coming, go to here other, scroll down, you will find a web folder. In the web folder you are having dynamic web project and then say next and give a project name here. Let us say the project name is, I can say, Struts2 with file upload. Okay, with file upload. Okay, now just click next here and this is my src folder. Classes will be in the build folder. We can change the path of these classes here. Let it be default now. Next, I want a babe.xml file, a deployment descriptor file, and now finish it. Once you have created the blank project, new project here, right? You can see this. Just a minute. So here we are having the default file list. This is the current status, right? Now you are getting web.xml. You are having here library folder. You are having a source folder. Let us create one package here. So new package, and I will say here com.example. Okay, finish it. So I'm ready with one package, and now we'll go to the babe content and we'll make one JSP page. So let us say JSP file, and the JSP file is my index.jsp. Okay, finish it. Okay, you can say next and finish. So I'm ready with index page here. But what will the content of your index page? So we'll write here. Okay, if we want to use some struts tag, we can use some tag library descriptor here. Okay, so let us say head and all is fine. You can add this percent at the rate tag leave. Okay, URI equal to. So it should be tag leave URI equal to what? Struts slash struts hyphen tag. Okay, hyphen tags. This is my location where I will be using the tags. Okay, now it is not recognizing here. I'll tell you, because we have not added any libraries of the struts here, right? So in the body part you can keep this meta and all. It is not required, but if you are willing for that, you can keep it here. Come to directly to the body part now, so that we can complete this. First of all, the JSP page, index page. Now here we'll make a one form. So we'll write here form. Okay, and then we'll say action. Action equal to what? Let us say I say f upload. Okay, what is f upload? We'll map it somewhere. Method equal to say post here. Okay, and then we'll write here ink type. Okay, what type of data you want it to like upload. So it will be multi-part form data. Okay, multi-part hyphen slash form data. Okay, close it, close it this right. Now here I'll make a one, I can say just a label here. I'll say here label, and for what? So label for my file. Okay, so my file, and what is the name? So say upload file. Okay, or upload resume, whatever you want here. And then we'll give a input type here. Input type equal to text. Okay, sorry, here the type should be what? Not text, it should be file, because you are making a file input, right? And then here you can write name equal to what? My file, my file. So you must remember this field name that I have mentioned here. It is a my file, right? Close it. Okay, then after what we'll do, we have to add the submit button. I mean say input type equal to submit. If you want some different name for the button, then say value equal to, just say here upload file. Okay, something you can give here. And then we have to close the form. Already it has been closed now, and we'll go to here and close the body, close the HTML. So this part has been done. Let us come to this part here. If we are using some specific tag, later we'll use. For that sake, we have to use this tag lib URI. Now, next part is what? Let us add the library first. So, even we have mentioned in the previous session that I have to download the Struts2 library. So here I have downloaded and extracted also. And if I'm going to the lib folder, I'm getting lot of libraries files, right? See here, you want to do the Ajax and all, so you need a Dozo plugin, right? This plugin will help you to work with Ajax. This is for the core. Okay, lot of library we are having. So I don't need all the libraries initially. I have extracted here. I kept it separately here. These are the only jar file is necessary for developing this project. Okay, so file upload jar file we are using here. Now I just say copy here. I can say right click and I say copy. Okay, once copy this library, go to here lib folder. In the lib folder, click right and paste. This is one way. Another way also, you can select build path and you can show the configure build path. You can get the location and then you can add the jar file. That is one way. But simply I can paste it here also. But it will give you two option here. Uh, okay, it has been added, I think. Yeah. So it also asks sometimes like whether you want to copy or a link. Okay, so it has been copied here in this project. So this is my required jar file. Okay, now okay, so we'll add one action class, that is the pozo class here. So we'll go to com.example and we'll say right click new I'll just say class here, and the class name I'll give here, let us say upload action, anything you can give, and it is a public class. Okay, finish it. So I've created one class here, right? Here we have not used here prefix, so let us say prefix is equal to s. Okay, I think it should go now. Yeah, so that error is gone. Come back to here. In this upload action, we'll do what? We'll just go here and say extend what? Action support. So we'll extend one of the class here, action support. Okay, it is not recognizing. It has been imported now. com.open symphony xwork, right? Action support. Okay, now what we have to do here now? We have to declare some of the, it's like a poso class here. So private save file, and I'll say here my file. Remember the property name in my form, it was a my file, right? If you just look at here what name I have given, my file, right? So this always, it should match with your property name. So I have used here my file now, right? And file class, what is a file class? It is a Java util IO, Java IO file. Okay, so you have to import this package for that, right? Now I can declare some of the other string members, say private string, but first one is only important, and then say here my file. I can give my file content type. Okay, I'll say here private, another variable string, and I'll say my file name, right? And then I'll say private string destination path. Okay, so these are the four member I have declared here, right? Now what we'll do here, we'll make a getter setter for this. So I'll say get my file, set my file, right? Get file content type. So let us generate the getter setter for that. Okay, so I'll just say right click source and then add getter setter, right? Generate getter setter. I'll not use this destination path, I'll just use this three only. So my get file name and my file content type. Okay, and my file. So just remove this and check three only. Okay, then click OK. So getter setter is ready for that, right? Now here we have to mention one execute method. So I can add one execute method here. So consider I have a public void, sorry, it is returned as a string type, string execute. You can give any name here, but that name you have to mention there. Okay, so in the execute method, let us try to write this code now. I just say destination path equal to, I say s drive colon slash slash, I mean s drive slash, just say there's a work folder, so all the files will store in this location once upload happen. Try. So now this is the try and catch. So in the catch we'll just say here IO exception. Okay, E. Fine, so we are using here try catch now. This is the end of the method, right? Now here we'll write some code. What is saying now? Yeah, correct. Unreachable catch block. So just we'll write here sysort. The message will come on the console that what is the source file we have added, source file, and I can say plus, just give a colon and file name. Okay, so file name is the my file, right? And then csort, I'll say here my destination file plus, I can say my file name, right? So my file name, right? You can just go up to here. What name I've given? My file name, correct? Yeah. So my file name is here. Now, next we have to do here, let us say file class, and I'll give here dest file here. Okay, this is my destination file, right? A new file class. Okay, so I'll give here destination path, comma, so from which path it is coming, and what is my file name, right? So that is a directory and file name, right? So that will be created one object dest file. Okay, now there's one file util class. Okay, I just said in the beginning. So I'll say here file utils dot dot, I can say copy. See, these are the methods we are having, right? Copy directory, copy file, copy input stream to file, right? So copy file, which file? Source file is what? My file, right? The file which is coming from the client. Where it will copy? To destination path, right? So destination file is my path here, because say here whatever the destination I have given here, destination path, it is just creating the same file name, and we are passing here, so one file will be created with the same data, right? So whole data will be get copied here, right? So this is code we have done here now. Just a moment, see here, upload action, right? Yeah, now so we have not used return here, so that's why the error is coming. Return, what it will return? It is a string, right? So we'll say return success. If it is getting uploaded, then return success. Else, if it is generating some exception, file not found, something kind, right? So it will give me some message, print a stack trace. Okay, and then it will say return what? Error. Okay, so return error. These are the inbuilt string we are having in the struts that we are returning in the action. Okay, now we are saying if error, return error. If success, uploaded successfully, return success. Okay, so I'm ready with my pozo class. I mean, this is my action class, I can say also, right? So this part has been done.